In this video, I will show you how you can transfer your Brawl Star account to another phone or another device. For that, you have to open your Brawl Star account. Then click on top right side, click on three lines. When you click on three lines, you will find at the end Supercell ID. Click on Supercell ID. If you're not seeing this Supercell ID, then click on settings and here you will find Supercell ID option. So just click on this, then continue. Here you will put your log email and password and register for Supercell ID. Here you can change your avatar and set your avatar. Then you will create your Supercell ID. Now your Supercell ID has been created. Now, how you will transfer your Brawl Star account to another device? Just simple go to your new device or new phone and go to your dashboard where you sign up for Brawl Star account. Simply here you can see that there are three options: login or without play without login or Supercell ID. Simply click on login with Supercell ID and here you will find that login with Supercell ID. Just click on this. Now enter your email and phone number, email and password that you have created for Supercell ID. So once you enter your email and password, you will be logged into your Brawl Star account. In this way, you can transfer your Brawl Star account from one phone or one device to another.